Here's a quick guide to the speed time graphs. In this question, we're asked to find both the acceleration and the distance traveled by the cyclist. So here we have a speed time graph, and we can see that the maximum speed reached is equal to 20 meters per second, and the time it took to reach this speed was 60 seconds, so that's 1 minute. In order to find the average acceleration, we have to find the gradient of the line, which is going to be rise over run. So that's going to be 20 over 60, which is equal to 0.3 meters per second, and that's rounded to 1 decimal place. To find the distance traveled, you'll have to take the area under the graph. So we'll have to find the area of that triangle. So this is going to equal to 20 multiplied by 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 600 meters. Online GCSE tutoring is in the bio.